update pan on him each imagine me kunya say na me de bro. And now we are there twem ya and a yanka say ya bra ya Salinko. Nensem beton bonte so say e ade na yere any nejai. Na bra nsam ne beton bonte so no ya bra ya Salinko epru nim nimu e defense ansem hu. E ka say your ba na ni jai no no de enkombo ni timu pokrampo so ne oba na ebejai. Na bra nsam ne beton bonte so no anche no ba no so ba bonte e no be ka say ono pa de so betena no bia fa ne fa ho die pa no akasa aware ntini mba ntini de ono de onye de biara da na mbo no se obenya ne peace of mind na obe geni ne sanity no eno ne hia ne ye pa eto ono de emfa no ho se wejai aware ana so onjai aware ete ne ho son ama wefi aware ase a wefi aware ase eye den ekom na busiafo ye kropo de na ka yenim se sasem we de ada na Abraham some never turn mountain so na Ghana for do na ka say Salinko we yele weja because we ya obi ana buni ye papa we ya obi ana yo ba ne nia ya de nti oba na weja wa ye den weja na and then yanka say papa ya de nyina e counselor Lutterodt e de na no aba betun sansem yi bi e ka say oba ya ware a weja yi de e for her own good because na oba no e won ko asum Abraham kokko pie mu e wo Neat FM no say e no training sem.
Fed up, no. Or see the didn't say she's fed up.
Okay.
Well, anytime the word fed up comes out, you know, it's coming as a result of communication stress or the mismanagement of communication or misinterpretation of communication. It is Salinko Kasamo so your Bible say I am what? Fed up.
That's what bread.
Then no bana bremu. Or see a call him a pound or repeat it beyond said then I am fed up.
Oh, why interview honor?
Yes, he granted an interview.
Okay.
He granted an interview. And may catch a Salinko say, and Salinko is acting surprised for the action of the wife or the ex-wife.
Why would he be surprised?
No, that's where I'm coming from. He's acting surprised. And I love the lady. The only thing the lady wrote is, I'm single, I'm now single and free. That is the only thing the girl has written so far.
Say, I'm now single
and free.
Well,
what's it? No, I think about where I say, Obiawari is a mobile. Immediately, Ola Michaels and Dimbe Pie. Ola Michael Dimbe Pie. Any document that pops up that your name is inside, it is treated as special because you are out there. What does it?
I'm single and free.
No, you.
No, me can't. Obana semna ko me dream.
So I'm single and free. And the husband says, my wife says, I am fed up. So I'm leaving the marriage. One of the painful things that any wife, any decisioner or bafa, a young man, the pastor would have a more fear with him. And can our dear public space more.
A year of Bani and a man. Okay.
That a boy sicky can answer, maybe a Salinko Bekobi and he didn't need nature. You pay so back where I say money, so I didn't hear nearby. Why went your wife to get that you? Or say, Salinko maybe out there. You pay Nipa Bakoma, no go baby. Your man could never call you say money. Your man so back where I say money. They be on and he didn't need nature. When he said it for a joke or whatever it is, proving to say, I say, Yen I am the Wakawari. If that's say, boy, kid you can if you want to boil it up. But media say, the girl has not spoken that she's fed up. But boy Salinko says, my wife have left me because she says she's fed up.
Fed up with what?
Thank you. And then the wife says, I am single and free. So she was married in bondage.
By your own extension.
I am single. And if you are not single, you are what? You are married.
Yes, but there's a song there's so many songs have got that line, single and free. So probably she just reiterating what she's been hearing around.
Okay, so if you are not married, you're single.
Yeah, of course. But being single does not always mean that you are free.
If you are not married, you are single.
True.
And if you are not free, you are in bondage.
Well, that is permutations. They said the payment numbers they are Lotto.
And I make I say they look to the meter. So I am fed up. She's fed up. She's left the marriage. Then she says, I am single and free. So out of marriage, out of bondage.
Wow.
Now, Salinko should not act surprised. And Obia Otiemi Biano, their lines of communication, their chronicles of stories and issues are Sebio Obibet me jira so Ediaya Wadijaye. Oh, la ote go wana se. Enti yenina your sympathy. Ana o enyemo bro ye frima bro fu me senti say sympathy can say o
bro.
Bro. It shouldn't be sympathy for Salinko. Yenina si enya etima na entiasie bi etima ema Salinko say na ire ahofesi oba so no kama say eja na ebetimi of Salinko adwuma na ne nkomo ne say fa ne team na ko obebo dam na ko beku ne ho all these things came from Salinko.
The year now on one didn't pay me say we jan no.
Right now, the woman says she's fed up. And in this particular communication, does it mean that Salinko ne job and ne fed upness in the jan?
So Salinko, from what you are saying, no, or not saying you say what brain to a jan.
Thank you. Now then the more board see our dear ni jemu abre amu jan.
No ma be brave.
So when you
are
thank you. And the bad is
too much love can be a bondage.
So Salinko dog you too much. I'm again I am fed up with love. And now she's free
and single
because she was fed up.
Michael Kwabno always thought.
Yeah, fellow Ghanaians, your friend Theophilus Annan, the doubting Thomas. Me wo any jesem sunkubi edibreo. Di obi a pen dachi biano, and one more juma. Ena oye se opese wo YouTube dachi anase wo social media handles no dachi eye perfect dia then eye baby back Ozitech oho ena betumi aboa ama wetumi advance na me catch say Ozitech ombeboa ama wo social media handles ni na akoso they will boost it for you eye Facebook ombeboost ama Twitter ombeboost ama TikTok ombeboost ama Instagram ombeboost ama na de wo mu kura ne say YouTube no hwe eba no subscribers ombeboost ama eba no followers ombeboost ama eba no watch hours and also ombeboost ama yes say e drop baby e wona na wo na so obi san subscriber e sign add up umpewe na opede kaya moto ba na ze de na me catch us omo so making money ewo eye social media handles no say for YouTube or social bebia ewo social media handles na de me say Ozitech and the bebwa ama will making money Emma won yambo every month bia you make money I bet me a sustain you abrabonum ombema wenya from 0 viewers to a million umpewe na opede kaya moto mbium se ope Ozitech echira kwan a enye rira kwan kra ma me fa number no ntudwa se de be ya betuna from na opese ukosua anase opese u boost to social media handles na oni omu bedidwa 0598 697619. Me repeat number the amount 0598 697619. Ozitech na or say you make money every month.
Ebusia for ya papa Counselor Lutterodt ni some ye kokotie ye hu mesia. Osi kasa o church ni sem ne amaga na for kasa counselor na wo ye hu wacho. Asenanse asa wudin ya de bi na ende no pa de ye hwe nsem ya wo kan. Ekemaka koye sende pa na wetumi akanya sesam ye pa na me shira ebi muso ka se counselor bebi awo bia ende de counseling na edi mu bank kakra ade okwa ye wakakosua ade yi ana papa bebi awo bia nyame shira ade a wo hia mo abonti abomi samra ne frem ohema echa